How to buy a product on eBay app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy any product on eBay fast and easy. So first thing you have to do is go to eBay. Now go to the top corner right here and go down to settings here. And now on the settings, all what you have to do is search for the payment here. If you didn't find it here, just go again to the three lines and go down and click on payments. Now right here, add your payment option from here by clicking on add payment option and click on credit card and fill your informations right here, and then go to the product that you want to buy and go down and click buy it now, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.